Saturday, May 27th, 2023, and I'm going to pull down the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's. Ha 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 ha. What's going on here?
Mr. Draper, the fire alarm went off. Really? What is it? I heard the fire alarm going off. You want to check? Really? Let me check. Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, now they're evacuating. Oh, now they're evacuating right now. And SWATs are here, and police officers are here, and 2 scientists are coming, and they're about to fight me, and Chuck E. Cheese employee uses the annunciator to silence the alarm until system is normal. Phew, that was close. Oh, now SWAT fights Chuck E. Cheese employee. Phew, that was close. Oh, I didn't know gardeners and police officers are here. Very nice.
Yo, Junior, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's? You know pulling down the fire alarm switch is not allowed to do that at all. That's it. Go home right now.
Junior, we can't believe that you go to Chuck E. Cheese's for pulling down the fire alarm switch. Why would you do that?
But today is Saturday, May 27th, 2023. I thought it was a prank. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad.
You do not pull down the fire alarm switch. When the fire alarms go off, we have to take them seriously. Your apology is unacceptable. You are grounded for a month. Go to your room right now, Junior, and think about what you just did to Chuck E. Cheese and the fire department.